Hey guys, this episode I'm going to do a gun for Battletrap. This gun is going to be able to be floated around between different ones. I might use it on a siege. It's not exactly something that really suits Battletrap, but I don't like my Transformers standing there without weapons. In fact, I prefer them to each have one melee and one ranged. So, here we go. Alright guys, here's Battletrap with his highly upgraded gun. Yeah, I built it for him, but it seems a little big and a little clunky, but I make these so that they can go on pretty much any Transformer I want to put them on. That's just the one I put on him. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to have a chance to tell me which ones you'd like to see me make next, you can go onto my Patreon and put in $5. Please like and subscribe and enjoy.